Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about Thevinin equivalent circuit. So we have to find the Thevinin equivalent circuit across X and Y. This is both X and Y. So in order to solve this one, we have to first of all find the V Thevenin and R Thevenin, right? So to find V Thevenin, what we have to do? We have to find the voltage across X and Y. So from this circuit itself, we can say that this current uh, I uh, influence the voltage, this voltage source, because this voltage source is a current dependent voltage source, right? And another thing, in order to find V Thevenin, we have to open circuit the output terminal. It's open circuit. Now there is no current flow in this branch, so this branch has no current flow, so the potential across this 2 point will be the potential across this 5 ohm, right? If you place a voltmeter across X and Y, the potential will be equal to the potential across the 5 ohm. So we have to find the potential across 5 ohm. For that we have to find the I, right? So in order to get that, we can just write the KVL around this loop, right? So we can find I, because I is the only unknown in present here. We know that voltage source, two resistors, so we just write KVL across this loop, right? So if you write KVL, what we can write, we have 10, then we have plus 2I is equal to 5I plus 3I. 5I, because it's the potential across the 5 ohm resistance. 3I is the potential across 3 ohm resistance. So what is psi then? I will be 10 by 6, right? 10 by 6 amps, which is equal to uh, 5 by 3, right? 5 by 3 amps. So we got the I, which is this I is 5 by 3 amps, right? So I is 5 by 3 amps. So what will be the potential across the 5 ohm resistor? If you have voltage, uh, we can if we have the voltage current relation is equal to V equal to IR, right? So we have the current and the resistance. So what will be the voltage V Thevenin, which is equal to potential across the 5 ohm is I into R. What is I? 5 by 3. What is R? 5 ohm. So 25 by 3 volts, right? So this is the Thevenin voltage. So and the next part is we have to find this one, what the R Thevenin. R Thevenin, right? So to find R Thevenin, we have to look from here and find the impedance here, right? Resistance. So but here we have an inconvenient thing, which is an dependent voltage source, a current dependent voltage source. So in this problem, I suggest one thing. Actually, we have another equation to find Thevenin. We have Thevenin by I short circuit, which means it's the R Thevenin is the ratio of voltage, Thevenin voltage to the short circuit current, which means if the ISC means if you short circuit this X and Y, and that current is ISC. So it is the ratio of Thevenin by ISC. So if you short circuit this X and Y, what happened? The 5 ohm resistor will be negligible, because now there is no uh, current through 5 ohm, because X and Y are short circuited. Then the I will be 0, right? This I will be 0. So if we short circuit the output, and how will be the circuit? The circuit will be somewhat look like this. We don't will not be having won't be having this voltage dependent voltage source, because this I is already 0, right? So the circuit will look like this. This will be ISC, and there is no current through this 5 ohm. There is no current. So we only have this 3 ohm resistance. Since I is 0, this 2i will be also 0, which means it doesn't provide any voltage source. Both of the terminals are connected itself, like you can assume like that. So what will be isc now? Isc will be I is equal to voltage source by the resistor. What is the voltage source value? 10 by 3 amps. So this is the short circuit current. So we got the short circuit current. If we have short circuit current and Thevenin voltage, we can find R Thevenin as V Thevenin by ISC. What is V Thevenin? V Thevenin is 25 by 3 volts. What is ISC? 10 by 3 means 3 by 10. We can just multiply using reciprocal, right? So cancel each other. Answer will be 2.5 ohm, right? 2.5 ohm. So our Thevenin equivalent circuit will look like this, right? Plus minus. This is how a Thevenin circuit look like. Our voltage source will be 25 by 3 volts and this resistance will be 2.5 ohm. This will be X and Y. So we found out our Thevenin equivalent circuit.